Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to fix Messenger story option not showing problem. Now solve this problem. First of all, go to your settings. Now scroll down. Then click on apps. Then click on search bar. Search for Messenger. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Delete your cache. Then click on permissions. All permissions allowed. Now go back your home screen. Then normally reset your phone. After restart your phone, after all steps, if your problem still not be solved, then uninstall your Messenger app and then install. Hopefully your problem solved. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.